We are now going to continue doing more vocab, and so bear in mind this is professional Canadian vocab, and this is what we need. We are going through vocab acquisition, which means to look at words one by one, and to do that effectively, well, I recommend highly that you have a pen and paper and you write down these words. You know English, why not know English and French? A lot of it is the same. Let's go look at the vocab. Choisissez, question 10. Choisissez le mot le plus approprié à insérer dans l'espace en blanc. And I'd like to remind you that en blanc means in white. Okay, and that means that we are looking at a blank. It does sound like the word blank. Blanc means white, not blank. Consulter. To consult. Much like in English, to consult means to look into, to look deep into. To look into, no, I don't want to say look into, that sounds like I'm searching something. Consulter is to make good use of a reference book. Alors, we may use it to make good use of. Probably reference, some reference document. I would say a reference document. Remplir is to fill. To fill, quite literally. Okay, let's go with this. Alors, ici, remplir is to fill. Consulter is to consult. Prendre, we should know this. Prendre is to take. Couvrir is to cover. But, yes, that is it. Alors, couvrir is to cover. I mean to cover. That's what I meant here. Physiquement. Physically. Meaning to cover. Exemple, couvrir, couvrir le plat. I might cover the dish. It does not mean couvrir un cours, to cover a topic. Alors, I would not go with that one as much. Couvrir. Parmi. Question 11. Alors, parmi means among. Parmi is among. Among, parmi. Among. Les quatre énoncés. Un énoncé, we should know, is a statement. Un énoncé is a statement, and that is a strong, proper word. Suivant. Suivant is following. Lequel est vrai. Lequel is going to be which one, but it means masculine because it is lequel. If I had something else, I would say maybe something like maybe if the word was different, I would have a word such as laquelle. That could have been the possibility, but that is not the case here. Alors, I do not have laquelle, I have lequel. I will write that here. Laquelle would be which one. Oh, which one? Feminine. D'accord. And I want to make sure I get that because, well, sometimes I make typos. Denise va faire is going to do. Faire, va is going. Faire is do. Va faire, going to do. Une présentation, we know. Sur is going to be, I want to change color here. I'm going to change color for clarity. Alors, bear with me a fraction of a second here. Let's go look at a better color here. Alors, voilà, va faire une présentation sur is on, les questionnaires de satisfaction, the satisfaction survey, the questionnaire about satisfaction. Une partie is a part. Une partie is a part. And that is different. Parce que une partie du questionnaire est part of, une partie de, a part of. Le questionnaire doit. Doit is must. Doit is must. Doit is must, and permettre is to permit. Permit, to allow. Alors, to allow us to do something here. Alors, doit permettre, must allow, de recueillir. Recueillir is to collect or to gather. To gather. Alors, usually when dealing with data, when I'm gathering data, information about people or something like that, recueillir is the right term. Une remarque. Now, this is going to be different. Une remarque here is a comment. Back to commentary, un commentaire. Alors, un commentaire is a comment. And that's good. But une remarque is une remarque, les remarques des participants. D'accord. Les remarques is a comment that might be a snarky comment. But I want you to know that remarquer is to notice something. Alors, he is remarking. Well, I don't hear that often, but in a very formal English, we could say, to make remarks, I can see that. That is to make comments. And that is what une remarque is. But the verb remarquer is to notice, is to see. It's a visual thing. It is definitely not a talking thing. And that could be very quickly confusing. Make no mistakes, my friend. Remarquer is to spot something. I saw that. It caught my eye. Something like that. It caught my eye. I noticed it. To notice. Visually. Alors, I will put that. Visually. It is not an audio commentary that I made. D'accord. Une remarque, sure, a remark, just like in English. But remarquer, to notice, to see. And that is the type of thing that you have to learn with me. Alors, le français professionnel is very unique. It is a unique choice. Small mistake could be a big deal. We are looking at words, and I'm very happy. Let's move on to the next one. It will be a short one also.